we appeal UGC and other examination authorities to cancel all the exams. The situation is not very conducive to hold these examinations as the COVID cases are rising. It is now in the community and it is basically asymptomatic. So it is very dangerous to know who is the COVID-19 virus carrier. And so the students should not be victim of this virus. And so we urge upon the UGC as well as the HRD ministry that they should give the directives to all the institutions all over the country as well as the other technical institutions where there are various other bodies. They should also consider to cancel the examinations and they should see the what alternative that can happen so that a student don't lose a year and they save their time. What way the learning can happen, what way the exams can be conducted. I think they should try to exploit the various options. It is also reported that various institutions are charging fees. Right from the KG primary level also, there are many complaints from the students that parents that schools are charging fees. So at this time when everyone is struggling, the parents are struggling, this is not a time to recover the fees. I also appeal to the Goa University and various other institutions which are private as well as the government institutions not to charge fees at this moment, and we fully support the initiative taken by NSY for the cause of the students. Thank you.